that by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, his day's work was through.
Hold it, Shakespeare.
Through?
T-H-R-O-U-G-H is pronounced through.
Through, that's what I always say. Now stop picking on me, will you? You're getting me all confused. His day's work was through. It started to rain on the way home, and he got so wet that his nose became red, and he developed a hacking... Who? Well, I know it can't be cow.
It's cough.
Oh, that did it. I had enough.